After 15 years in Canada, this is what nobody tells you. You will have to rebuild everything. When I say everything, I mean starting from the ground up. Your home, your stability, and even your sense of self. And sometimes you are going to feel lonely. Yes, migration, immigration, moving from your home country, learning a whole new culture is lonely. Even when you're doing everything right, you will still question yourself. There are moments I didn't even feel like myself, just trying to survive one day at a time and figure things out as I go along. And even now, in a different season of my life right now, after this 15 years, I still have moments where things feels heavy at times. Lately, I've been reminded that stress doesn't just come and go. Sometimes it sits with you quietly until your body starts to feel it. And migration, immigration is definitely stressful. It is a stressful journey. But as I said, there are different types of stress. They will come and they will go in different seasons of your life. But one thing I really learned is that you grow through it. You find your way back to yourself little by little. And somehow it all starts to make sense. So keep going, sis. You will get through this. Growth doesn't always look loud. Sometimes it's just choosing to keep going. So, as I said, keep going. By the way, do you want to know how I made this current coconut grouper sliced fish? Stay tuned. Make sure that you're following me on all the platforms because I will be dropping this video tomorrow. Thanks again for listening to Yashika in the kitchen.